Here I have a load synthetic button. When you click on it, it creates a COMTRADE file, basically out of a model where you've got the line impedance, the load, the resistive fault, and the point on wave. So here, for example, if I change the point on wave, you will see that it has an impact on the created waveform here. You can change as well the resistive fault, okay, and see how it impacts the waveform. Here we've got a B phase, but you can change the faulted phase. Here as well, you can change the values of the line impedance, changing basically the X over R ratio, and you can see that it has an impact. You can create reactive values as well. Here you can press the show impedance. So here you can see that the impedance is shown from the waveform that you have there. For example, if you change the reactive value, you can see that it has an impact on the load. Here, the point on wave as well has its impact, and you can see that directly on the impedance plane. So I'll let you play with it, but I think it's an interesting tool to start learning some of the impact of the network values onto the impedance seen by relay.